In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use voice dictation to insert a new bullet list item or an item number on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Now, in order for you to use this feature with voice dictation, you can see here if I go to the next line, it will automatically create a new bullet list for me and I can continue to do that. Now, the Samsung keyboard does not actually offer you a feature to do that, so we need to use Google Voice typing from Gboard. So we're going to go to Play Store and install Gboard. So search for the app called Gboard. That is the Google keyboard. So this one right here. So tap on the install button and then you can open it. In here, tap on select input method and you can choose English depending on what language you have installed. So here I have set it to English US. And there are other settings that you can customize for your keyboard. And after that, you can tap on the back key or simply open up your Notes app. Then in here, you can use the microphone at the top here. Now do not use Google Voice typing. Instead, use voice typing from the top here. So tap on that microphone and it says now listening. So I'm just going to delete that and try it again. So I'm going to tap on the microphone. List item 3. New line. List item 4. New line. List item 5. Or you can say enter. So wait for a few seconds. So give it a brief pause before you say enter or new line, otherwise it will not work. So here, new line, hello, enter. And as you can see, if you give it a few moments, just a very brief pause, maybe a second or half a second, and if you say enter or a new line, it will automatically insert a new bullet list for you. The same for number item number 1, 2, 3. So here I can say enter. Number 4, enter. List item 5, return. So the return doesn't work, but if we say new line, that will work. So there you go. So that's how you can use voice dictation to automatically insert a list item number or a bullet point. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, if you really like to use the Samsung keyboard, after you have used the list item with Google Voice Dictation, you can tap on this small button right here at the bottom corner. This will allow you to switch back to Samsung keyboard. So once you're back to your Samsung keyboard, you can continue to use the Samsung keyboard to type and use the Google Voice Dictation. And if you want, you can touch and hold on this microphone button at the bottom, then tap on input method, and then tap on it again. This will allow you to switch back to Gboard. So from here, there is a shortcut that allows you to quickly switch between keyboards. And that's it. Thank you for watching.